So little mama is ready because she's getting her shots today. So there she is. Okay, so today is baby's day to get her shots. So yeah, I hate when she has to be immunized. I know it's a good thing, but I just hate needles. And then I have to be there by myself and watching her while she cries. So I gave her some Tylenol before, so like half an hour before her shots time, I give her like a little bit of Tylenol, so that will break the fever. The last time when she got her shots, she didn't get any fever after. So that's what I don't want to happen again. I only have highlights on my nose. That is the only makeup I have on, apart from a little eyeshadow and some mascara. What kind of makeup is this, Ishka? Anyways, yeah. So I'm trying this pediatrician place for the first time. It's called We Are Kids, and it's in Manor Center, close to Manor Park. So yeah, hopefully the service is good. You know, I'm afraid of that service, especially when it comes down to her, because I'm very, very miserable. So I will let you guys know how that goes. So I'll see you guys later.
So a long time I don't go around this still. I'm not going maybe about 2 years now.
Oh really?
So I don't remember.
Okay. Well, now you know. Oh, that's why, because when they told me that you were close by, them said 5 minutes. So when she said come outside, I'm like, oh, that was quick.
Yeah, because we never sure which part me try by sometime.
Oh, okay.
So I say 5 minutes. Because I'm in the right of the Fan Road at the stoplight.
Hello? Yeah. So Zalika, are you ready for your shots? Are you ready for your shots? She's looking around. She doesn't even know what's ahead of her. Are you ready for your shots? Are you gonna cry? You're not gonna cry because you're a big girl, right? You're a big and you're a strong girl. She's looking at herself like, ooh, I think I look good today. But yeah. Actually, I like this place. It's pretty nice. And so far, the service is good. So that's a plus. Are you pooing? Skye, are you pooing? I think she's pooing. Oh Lord. So this is the doctor's office. I'm going to put come put this around your neck because your mouth is running like a river and I don't want you to wet your close up. Come. She's just looking all over the place. There you go. She's just fascinated by everything. Aren't you? Mommy loves you. Did Mommy tell you that she loves you today? Well, hear what? Mommy loves you. Okay, Skye? Mommy loves the munchkin. Why are you so frightened? What do you have to say to the camera? Say what you gotta say to the camera. Oh, I could have seen that coming. Gross, girl. You pooed. Oh my god, she pooed. Are you finished? You finished, boy? Or not? You finished, boy, or not?
So she does have, put her head. She does have a hernia, and that's why the needle is pushed out like that. So if you were to put your hand in here, you can feel it's like a hole. So there's like a little hole in the layers underneath there, and whenever there's pressure, whatever it pushes out. Now that hole usually closes on its own, and when it closes, then the navel becomes flat. Now we usually give it 4 years to close. It doesn't always close. If it doesn't close, it's not that this is going to cause a problem. It just doesn't look right.
Oh.
So, especially for female.
Oh, so 4 years?
Yeah. So if it doesn't close by that time, then we need to do corrective surgery. Do we order the Rotatec?
Yes.
I need the scissors, will be to clip it, please.
No?
I need the scissors to clip the top of it. So we are going to put her Prevnar on the right, her other one on the left. This is the combined vaccine. It's okay, let Auntie put a band-aid on it. Okay, we're putting the band-aid. All right. Good girl. Had enough. I'm sorry.
So little mama has been sleeping a lot since she got her shots. She didn't get a fever. What I did was to give her Tylenol. Listen, don't mind my awful looking head, but what I did to prevent her from getting any fever or anything was give her some Tylenol. I gave her Tylenol before, like half an hour before we went to the doctor, and then I gave her some Tylenol after we came from the doctor. And what I also did was, when I got home, was to put a wet cloth on her, on where she got the shots. So yeah, and now she's sleeping like a baby. She has been sleeping since she got home, so, and I fed her, so good, no fever, no nothing, and she took the shots like a boss. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.